Hey there friends, welcome to another review. I'm checking out the Comica Vimo Q. This comes with 4 of these wireless little microphones. I'm actually using one right now for this video so you can hear the sound quality is absolutely amazing. They have little audio hookups. This case is also a charger, so it'll tell you right here on the side, each little light is 25%. It's full. Comes with these little wind microphone things you can put on the end of here so it won't hear that sound when you're outside. These just snap right in here. They're battery, or they're held in with magnets as well. And here is the receiver. This is plugged into my phone currently, and you can just plug it right into your PC as well. Comes with a couple audio cables too. This one shows your batteries, your battery life, as well as the volume and things like that. Volume can be adjusted on this microphone. It's pretty killer. It's got a little clip there, has a light indicating that it is on, and also we have our microphone there at the end, and then a couple buttons there for volume up and down, mic mute, and things like that. Very nice. I've been using Comica for a long time. It was time for an upgrade. My cat came in and bit through my microphone cable, so thought it was a snake or something like that. So here we go. Very nice. As you can hear the audio in here, very high quality. I'm super impressed with it. I like how I can just fold this up and keep all my stuff away from overprotective cats and things like that. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you next time.